Hey folks, today we're going to be installing the OR 4x4 UK winch bumper on my 1999 Land Rover Defender. There she is right there. Pretty sweet truck. 1999 300 TDI. Pretty good shape, but it needs a winch bumper. So this is the OR 4x4 UK winch bumper. Comes with all these bags of parts and all kinds of great stuff. I've already installed the Haas Fairlead that comes with the Warrior winch that I'm going to be putting on. And right now I'm just going to be installing these little recovery points. Nice red ones, all powder coated. They slip through here. Let's see if I can show you guys how it goes in there. Pop through there. Yeah. So that's what we're going to be doing next. Bolting those in. And there we have it. Those are the recovery points. You can also clip your hook into there. Yeah, everything went together really nice. With the recovery points and the Fairlead all installed, it's time to move on to the little wings of the bumper. These guys will go attached to there. So OR 4x4 offers different setups. You can get the crinked one. You can get ones with lights in the front here. I wanted a more kind of stock, kind of traditional look, so I just went with the standard. That's just the standard winch bumper. Yeah, so time to fit all this together. There we go. One wing installed, no trouble at all. Just getting in there is kind of tricky, but it all worked out. All secured. Now on to the other side. So here's the bumper all finished up, all put together. Looks great. It didn't take too long, maybe like an hour and a bit. You can see. Excellent. Powder coating is really well done on this. It's gonna stand up to all the punishment I'm gonna put it through. Next thing we have to do is take the front bumper out of that lump, put this one on, install the winch. All right, so here we go. The Landy is in the garage. I've got enough space to work on her. This will look completely different later this afternoon. First step is to take off these JW speaker spotlights. Take off the bush bar and then take off the bumper, put that bumper on. I've got a good supervisor today, Oliver the Greyhound, and we've got Archer on the TV. So yeah, pretty good afternoon, I would say. All right, there's Landy with the bush bar off. Pretty simple job. It was just you know, a bolt there, and then you take these little tie-down eyelets off from underneath, and that guy just slid right off. No problem at all. There's my sweet ORE steering guard. I've had that on there for a few years now, and it's held up to the abuse that the BC Trails put to it. So that's pretty cool. All right, next step is taking off that bumper. And the front bumper's off. A bit dirty in there. We can clean all of this up before we put the new one on. That's the plan. Yeah, all of this was just full of mud and dirt. This one was worse. I had to use a bit of liquid wrench to get that bolt out. It was nice and kind of seized in there. But yeah, that's it. Now, to put that one on. All right, kids, so I want to show you this ORE steering guard that I put on when I first got the Defender. It was my first modification, and it has held up really well. It's got their awesome powder coating on it, which stands up to rocks, mud, everything you can throw at it. You can see it's been taking some hits, I guess you could say. Those are all big giant scratches, but you can see, if I just get in here a bit closer, you can see none of it's rusted. It's ground the kind of top coat, or scratched the kind of top coat or whatever, but none of it has rusted. There's not a single speck of rust on this steering guard. Look at that one. Ouch. I think I remember that one. That was a rock on one of my favorite trails. But just talk about the quality there. That's pretty amazing. Everything now all cleaned up. I got all the mud out of there. Cleaned it all up a bit, and we're gonna put that bumper on the front of this thing. All right, bumper installed. Here it is. Look at that piece of kit. Just absolutely gorgeous. It fits perfect. The little bolt guides that ORE make to make it way easier to put on worked great. Yeah, it's just absolutely amazing, this bumper. I suggest you get one. And no, I'm not being paid by them to say that. It's just, and look at that. Fits perfect with the steering guard. Look at that. Nice. There it is with the winch on. Just kind of plopped it in there for now. That will be maybe next weekend's job. Installing that, running the cables. I've just got it kind of seated in there. You can see how it looks. I think it looks great. I think it looks really great. I'm really impressed with the bumper. Super easy to go together. And the Warrior winch, the T1000, is going to come in real handy. So I would say a successful weekend working on the Land Rover.